Carboxylic acids. Introduction. Carboxylic acids are acidic compounds having one or more carboxylic group or COOH in their molecules. The name carboxyl is derived by the combination of the term carbonyl and hydroxyl, since this group may be looked upon as a combination of carbonyl and hydroxyl groups. The carboxylic acids are classified as mono, di, or tricarboxylic acids according to the number of carboxyl group present in the molecule. These monocarboxylic acids may be represented as RCOOH, where R may be simple or substitute alkyl or aryl group. However, the properties of carboxyl group are essentially the same, irrespective of the aliphatic or aromatic nature of the group attached to it. Nomenclature. First is common system. The aliphatic monocarboxylic acids are commonly called fatty acids, as many of them, particularly the higher members, occur in natural fats. The common names of the individual fatty acids are derived from some of their natural sources. For example, formic acid is so named as it was originally obtained by the distillation of ants. Similarly, acetic acid derives its name from acetum, in which it is present. Branch chain acids having only one branch of methyl group farthest away from the carboxyl group are named by adding the prefix "isio" to the name of corresponding straight chain acid. For instance, it is known as isovaleric acid. Other branched chain acids and substituent acid are named as appropriate derivatives of straight chain acids. The position of the side chain or substituent groups being indicated by the letters alpha, beta, gamma, etc. Second is IUPAC system. The IUPAC name of carboxylic acids, general IUPAC rules. The suffix used for the carboxylic group being oic acid. For naming open chain carboxylic acid, the name of parent hydrocarbon corresponding to the longest possible straight chain in the molecule is written. The final E of the name is replaced by the oic and the word acid is added. In numbering the carbons of the straight chain, the carbon of the carboxyl group always gets number 1, while side chain, if any, get other suitable number. For example, we have 3-methyl butanoic acid, 2-methyl pent 3-enoic acid. Carboxylic acids having a carboxylic group attached to an alicyclic ring are named by adding the suffix carboxylic acid to the name of the ring. The carbon atom of the ring carrying the carboxylic group is always taken as number 1. For example, cyclohexane carboxylic acid, cyclohex 2 in carboxylic acid, 3-chlorocyclopentane carboxylic acid. The simplest aromatic carboxylic acid is named as benzoic acid. Other aromatic acids are named as derivatives of benzoic acid. Salts of carboxylic acids are named by writing the name of cation followed by the name of the acid and in which the ending ic acid has been replaced by ate. For example, sodium acetate, ammonium butyrate. The common and IUPAC names of some carboxylic acids are given in table 5.1. Structure of carboxylic group. Acid character of carboxylic acid. Even though the carboxyl group is generally represented by the structure and it is a resonance hybrid of the following contributing structures. However, there is a separation of charges in structure too, therefore it is less steric structure. First, as a result, these two structures do not make equal contribution to the resonance contribution of structure 2 being much less important than that of 1. Consequently, the energy is quite low. It is evident that in the resonance hybrid, oxygen of the hydroxyl group carries some charge. As a result, the electron pair of the OH bond is largely displaced towards oxygen. The displacement of electron pair, the hydrogen of OH bond can be released as H positive ion. Simultaneously, formation of carboxylate ion. This is responsible for acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Now, the carboxylic ion formed by the ionization of carboxylic acid is known as resonance hybrid shown ahead. It can be easily seen that two contributing structures of carboxylic ion, third and fourth, are equivalent to each other and therefore they make equal contribution to the resonance hybrid. As such, the resonance energy of the carboxylate ion is much greater than that of the acid itself. In other words, the resonance stabilization of carboxylate ion is much more than that of carboxylic acid. This greater stabilization of carboxylate ion tends to push the equilibrium in the ionization process towards the right and thus constitutes of the major factor in the dissociation of carboxylic acid. Since the carboxylate anion is a resonance hybrid of two similar structures, third and fourth, it may be visualized as equivalent to structure fifth. This means that the negative charge is evenly distributed over both the oxygen atoms. Both the carbon oxygen bonds are equivalent and each is intermediate between single and double bond. This depreciation of the carboxylate anion is confirmed by the X-ray diffraction studies of the bond length of carboxylic acids and their anions. For instance, it was found that in formate ion, both carbon oxygen bonds lengths have the same value. This is possible only if both carbon oxygen bonds of the ion are exactly equivalent. On the other hand, formic acid gives two different values of carbon oxygen bond length, 123 picometer or 1.23 angstrom, C double bond O length, and 136 picometer or 1.36 angstrom or COH bond length. This shows that the formic acid that C double bond O has greater double bond character than COH bond has greater single bond character. Formic acid and formate ion. Orbital structure. The resonance in carboxylate ion can also be understood in terms of molecular orbital concept. In terms of this concept, the carboxyl carbon atom is in state of sp2 hybridization. These hybrid orbitals are directed towards the corner of a triangle and lie in the same plane at an angle of 120 degree with each other. These three orbitals form three sigma bonds, one each with the two oxygen atoms and a third with the alpha carbon atom. The remaining unhybridized p orbital of the carbon overlaps sideways with the p orbital of both the oxygen atom to form a delocalized pi molecular orbital. In other words, the pi electrons are not confined to the nuclei of two atoms but get distributed around the nuclei of three atoms. This delocalization of pi electrons lead to the stabilization and assay of formation of carboxylate ion. Comparison of acidic character of alcohols and carboxylic acid. Both alcohol and carboxylic acid contain OH group in their molecule, but alcohol are partially neutral compounds while carboxylic acid have acidic character. This is due to the fact that carboxylic acid contain C double bond O group attached to the OH. This enables both carboxylic acid and carboxylate ion to exhibit resonance, with the latter being more stable than the former. As the result, carboxylic acid get dissociated to form H positive ion and carboxylate ions. On the other hand, neither alcohol nor alkoxide exhibits resonance, therefore they do not dissociate to an appreciable extent and they are particularly neutral in character. Comparison of acidic strength of phenols and carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid are stronger acid than phenols. This can be explained in terms of the stabilities of carboxylate and phenoxide ion. On comparing the structure of carboxylate ion and phenoxide ion, we find that the negative charge on the carboxylate ion is dispersed over two oxygen atoms, while in phenoxide ion it is present on oxygen only. This is the structure of carboxylate ion, and next is the phenoxide ion. The charge dispersal on two oxygen atoms lead to greater stability and therefore greater assay of formation of carboxylate ion. Therefore, carboxylic acid can release H positive ion more easily than and stronger acid than phenols. General method of preparation. The important method of preparing carboxylic acids are discussed below. First is oxidation of primary alcohol or aldehydes Carboxylic acid can be readily obtained by the oxidation of primary alcohols or aldehydes. The usual oxidizing agents employed are acidified potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, or nitric acid. Primary alcohol reacts in the presence of oxygen. Carboxylic acid are formed. For example, isobutyl alcohol react in the presence of K2Cr2O7 or H2SO4. Isobutyric acid is formed. Benzyl alcohol will react in the presence of K2Cr2O7 or H2SO4. Benzoic acid is formed. Aldehyde can be oxidized to corresponding acid even by mild oxidizing agents such as Tollens reagent. For example, aldehyde plus Tollens reagent. This method is highly selective as it will not oxidize any other oxidizable group such as alcoholic group if any present on the starting aldehyde. Second is oxidation of alkyl benzenes. On heating alkyl benzenes with oxidizing agents such as acidified potassium dichromate or acidified alkaline potassium permanganate, the alkyl side chain gets oxidized to carboxyl group. The reagent commonly employed is alkaline potassium permanganate. This constitutes a usual method for the preparation of aromatic acid as the alkyl side chain is always oxidized to carboxylic group irrespective of its size. For example, when toluene reacts in the presence of KMnO4 or H positive, benzoic acid is formed. Hydrolysis of nitriles. Hydrolysis of nitrile with an aqueous acid or alkali is an important method of preparing of carboxylic acid. When nitrile plus 2H2 react in the presence of H positive or OH negative, carboxylic acid are formed. For example, when phenyl acetonitrile plus H2O plus H2O4 react in phenyl acetate acetic acid is formed. Aliphatic nitriles can be themselves readily obtained by treatment of alkyl halides with sodium cyanide. Therefore, formation of a nitrile followed by its hydrolysis affords a useful method for preparing a carboxylic acid containing one carbon atom more than was present in the starting alkyl halide. Mechanism. Acidic hydrolysis of nitriles take place as follows. Alkaline hydrolysis of nitriles proceeds as follow. Next is hydrolysis of acid derivatives such as acid chlorides, anhydrides, esters, and amides. The acid derivatives mentioned above can be hydrolyzed to produce carboxylic acid with varying degree of difficulty, while acid chlorides and acid anhydrides are hydrolyzed with water such as hydrolysis of esters and amides is carried out in the presence of mineral acid or alkalis. HAPRT practical method of preparing carboxylic acid. Hydrolysis of acid derivatives is seldom used because acid derivatives themselves are very often prepared from acid. However, hydrolysis of two naturally occurring classes of acid derivative is employed for the preparation of certain acids. Mechanism. The mechanism of acidic and alkaline hydrolysis of acid derivative is discussed later in chapter 6. Next is carbonation of Grignard reagent. Carboxylic acid may be prepared by reaction of Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide followed by decomposition of the addition product with the dilute mineral acid. The reaction is often referred to as carbonation of Grignard reagent. Carbon dioxide may be employed either in the gaseous form or peripherally in the form of solid ice. For example, when secondary butyl magnesium chloride react in the presence of ether and HCl, alpha methyl butyric acid is formed. Or phenyl magnesium bromide react in the presence of ether and H2SO4, benzoic acid is formed. Like the nitrile reaction, Grignard reaction also yields a carboxylic acid containing one carbon atom more than the alkyl halide from which Grignard reagent is obtained. Organolithium compounds can also be used in place of Grignard reagent in the synthesis of carboxylic acid. Malonic esters and acetoacetic ester synthesis.
Mono or dialkyl derivative of acetic acid can be easily obtained by malonic ester and acetoacetic ester synthesis as described below. Malonic ester synthesis. Dimethyl malonate CH2CO C2H5 whole 2, generally referred to as malonic ester, forms its sodium salt on reaction with metallic sodium or sodium ethoxide. The sodium salt in turn can be easily alkylated on treatment with alkyl halide to form alkyl derivative of malonic ester. When malonic ester react in the presence of C2H5, ONA and RX, alkyl malonic ester is formed. Alkyl malonic ester can be similarly converted into dialkyl malonic ester R-C COC2H5 whole 2. The mono or dialkyl derivative of malonic acid ester may be hydrolyzed to form mono or dialkyl derivatives of malonic acid. These acid in turn can be decarboxylate by heating to yield mono or dialkyl derivative of acetic acid RCH2COH or R-CHCOH. Thus we have monoalkyl malonic ester react in the presence of 2HCl and heat. Alkyl acetic acid is formed. As proper choice of alkyl halide or halides to get the alkyl or dialkyl malonic ester can help to obtain particularly every acid by means of malonic ester synthesis. For example, let us say that it is desired to prepare N-valeric acid. This acid may be regarded as N-propyl derivative of acetic acid. Therefore, we should first convert sodium malonic ester into N-propyl malonic ester by reaction with N-propyl halide and subsequently hydrolyze and decarboxylate the alkyl derivative to get the desired product as shown ahead. Acetoacetic ester synthesis. Like malonic ester, acetoacetic ester can be easily converted into mono and dialkyl derivative of acetic acid. Monoalkyl derivative acetoacetic ester or hydrolysis yield a molecule of acetic acid and a molecule of alkyl acetate. As similarly, dialkyl derivative CH3CH2CH2COH may be represented as follows. Similarly, 2-methylbutonic acid may be obtained by converting acetic ester into methyl derivative followed by acid hydrolysis. Seventh is hydrolysis of trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivative having all the three atoms attached to the same carbon atom give carboxylic acid on hydrolysis with an alkyl. For example, when benzotrichloride react in the presence of 3KOH and HCl, benzoic acid is formed. Eighth is oxidation of methyl ketones, haloform reaction. When treated with sodium, methyl ketones are oxidized to sodium salt of carboxylic acid. These salts are acidified to carboxylic acid. For example, when 2-pentanone reacts, butanoic acid is formed. It may be seen that the acid obtained contains one carbon atom less than starting ketone. Next is Arendate-Estrat homologation. This is convenient method of homologation of an acid, that is conversion of a given acid into the next higher homologue. In this method, the acid is first converted into acid chloride by treatment with SOCl2. The acid chloride in turn is treated with diazomethane to get a diazoketone. When heated with silver, the diazoketone undergoes Wolff rearrangement to form a ketene. This ketene on hydrolysis gives the next higher homologue of the acid. The reaction sequence may be shown as follows. Ketene react in the presence of first higher homologue is formed. First is from alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide react with carbon monoxide under high pressure to form sodium salt of the carboxylic acid. This yields the free acid on acidification with a dilute mineral acid. For example, when sodium ethoxide react in the presence of heat, pressure and dilute HCl, ethanoic acid is formed. NaCl is a side product from alkanes. This method consists on heating an alkane with carbon This method consists in heating an alkene with carbon monoxide and steam which under pressure at 573 to 673 Kelvin in the presence of phosphoric acid catalyst, for example ethane, react in the presence of H3PO4 and pressure. Propanoic acid is formed. This reaction involves carbohydroxylation of alkanes and it is also known as Koch reaction. Note: in addition to the method of preparation of carboxylic acid described above, these acids can be also obtained by oxidation of ketones by Baeyer-Williger reaction. Physical properties. Physical state. The lower aliphatic acids such as formic acid, acetic acid and propanoic acid are colorless liquid having sharp irritating smells. The acid form from C4 to C9 are colorless oily liquids having somewhat unpleasant smell, but the higher members are colorless waxy solids having particularly no smell. Aromatic acids too exist as colorless solids. Solubility. The aliphatic acids up to C4 are soluble in water, but the solubility falls off rapidly with the increasing molecular weights, and higher acids are particularly insoluble in water. Amongst the aromatic acid, even the simplest acid, that is benzoic acid, is only sparingly soluble in water. However, the carboxylic acid are generally soluble in solvents like ethers, alcohol, and benzene. The water solubility of lower aliphatic acid is due to their formation of hydrogen bonds with water in aqueous solution. In higher acid, the size of non-polar alkyl group becomes large and the possibility of hydrogen bond formation with water decreases. Formic acid and acetic acid act as good solvents for salts because they have high dipole moment and can interact with cations and anions. Next is boiling points. Carboxylic acid form intermolecular hydrogen bonds and therefore exist in the form of associated molecules. As such, carboxylic acids have high boiling points. The boiling points are considerably higher than those of alcohols of comparable molecular weights. For example, acetic acid boils at 391 Kelvin and N-propyl alcohol boils at 370 Kelvin. This can be attributed to two reasons. First is the OH bond in carboxylic group is more polarized because of the presence of electron attracting carbonyl group of the adjacent position. Therefore, carboxylic acid form stronger hydrogen bonds. Next is the negatively polarized oxygen of the carbonyl group can also form hydrogen bond with the positively polarized hydrogen of the other molecule. Therefore, majority of carboxylic acids exist as cyclic dimers held together not by one but two hydrogen bonds as shown below. Melting points. The melting points of aliphatic carboxylic acid do not follow a regular pattern. With the increase in molecular size, it is observed that the acids containing up to 10 carbon atoms, the melting point of acid containing even number of carbon atoms are higher than those of the immediately lower, as well as immediately higher homologous containing odd number of carbon atoms. This is called oxidation or alternation effect. For example, the melting point of butyric acid is higher than that of propanic acid as well as that of valeric acid. This is because acids containing even number of carbon atoms have carboxyl and terminal methyl group on the opposite sides of zigzag carbon chain. As a result, they fit in closely together in the crystal structure. On the other hand, acids having odd number of carbon atoms have the carboxyl and methyl group on the same side of zigzag chain. As a result, they do not fit so well in the crystal structure. The net result is the energy required to break the crystal structure and thus melt the acid is more in case of acids having even number of carbon atoms. The melting points of aromatic acid are generally higher than those of aliphatic acid of comparable lower weights. This may be due to the reason that planar benzene ring in aromatic acid can fit in the closely in the crystal structure than zigzag chain in aliphatic acid. The melting point and boiling point of some carboxylic acid are listed in table 4.2. Chemical properties. The chemistry of carboxylic acid is governed by the presence of carboxylic group in the
other molecules. As this group may be further looked upon a consisting of carbonyl group and a carboxylic group, it may be expected to exhibit the reaction of both these groups, but as well we see carbonyl part of carboxyl group does not undergo its usual reaction with nucleophilic reagents. However, it does influence the behavior of hydroxyl group and it is responsible for the acidic nature of hydrogen. The important reaction of carboxylic acid are discussed as follows. Reaction due to ionizable hydrogen. Cleavage of OH bond. First is acidity. All carboxylic acid ionize in aqueous solution and exist in equilibrium with the carboxylate ion and the hydronium ion. Thus, they exhibit considerable acidic character. The cause of the acidic nature of carboxylic acid has been already explained. The acidity constant of different carboxylic acid and the effect of substituent on acidity are discussed later in section 7.7 and 7.8. Second is salt formation. Salt formation. Carboxylic acids are attacked by strongly electropositive metals such as sodium, potassium, and zinc to form their salts and liberate hydrogen. Acetic acid plus zinc gives product zinc acetate. They also react with bases such as hydroxides, metallic oxide, and bicarbonate to form salts. It may be noted, however, that carboxylic acid are much weaker than mineral acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Therefore, the salts of carboxylic acid are readily decomposed by treatment with the above mineral acid to regenerate carboxylic acid. Reactions involving replacement of hydroxyl group, formation of functional derivative. The OH part of an acid can be replaced by a number of groups such as chlorine OR negative, NH2 and OOCR dash to form acid chlorides, esters, amides and anhydrides, which are collectively known as functional derivatives of acids. Formation of ester. When heated with alcohols in the presence of strong mineral acids such as HCl or H2SO4 or a Lewis acid such as BF3, carboxylic acid form esters. This reaction is reversible in nature and is known as esterification. For example, acetic acid plus ethyl alcohol in equilibrium with H positive ethyl acetate is formed. The equilibrium in the esterification reaction can be pushed in the forward direction by using one of the reactant in large excess. It is usually the alcohol which is taken in excess the forward. This is generally achieved by using specially designed device known as Dean-Stark sparator. When the reaction between a carboxylic acid and an alcohol to form an ester is carried out in the presence of HCl, it is often called Fischer's spire esterification. Relative reactivities of acids and alcohols. The process of esterification is very difficult to carry out if the acid or alcohol used in the reaction carries bulky groups near the COH or OH group. This is because of steric hindrance caused by such groups. Thus, it is very difficult to bring about an esterification reaction involving a tertiary alcohol. The order of reactivity of alcohol in esterification reaction being primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. Similarly, acid containing bulky groups such as 2,2-dimethylpropanoic acid difficult to esterify. In fact, special methods have to employed for getting the esters in such cases. That is, mechanism of the reaction has already been discussed in chapter 1. Formation of acid chlorides. On treatment with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus chloride or thionyl chloride hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid is replaced by chlorine to form an acid chlorides. Mechanism. The reaction involves nucleophilic attack of carboxylic acid on phosphorus or sulfur atom. At the same time, a molecule of HCl eliminated. The product thus form undergo internal nucleophilic attack of chloride ion on the carbonyl carbon to yield the final product. In actual practice, the thionyl chloride is preferred to PCl5 or PCl3 since the pi byproduct of its action or gases which escape from the reaction mixture. Acid chlorides formed can be easily In actual practice, thionyl chloride is preferred to PCl5 or PCl3 since the byproduct of its action are gases which escape from the reaction mixture. Acid chlorides formed when P easily separated from the unreacted thionyl chloride by fractional distillation. For example, in this reaction, formation of amides when treated with ammonia acid or ammonium salts which can sitting lose a molecule of water to form amides. 6. Formation of anhydrides. When treated with acid chloride in the presence of iodine, carboxylic acid form the corresponding anhydrides. Mechanism. Reaction between sodium salt of the acid and acid chloride gives better yield of the acid anhydride. Mechanism. The reaction takes place through the nucleophilic attack of carboxylate ion on the carbonyl carbon of acid chloride. Acid anhydrides are also obtained by heating monocarboxylic acid with stronger dehydrating agents such as P2O5 when a molecule of water is eliminated from 2 molecules of the acid. Mechanism. The reaction takes place through the following steps. Elimination reaction of carboxylic acid. Decarboxylation. Simple carboxylic acids get decarboxylated to form hydrocarbons whether their sodium salt are heated with soda lime. Sodium benzoate plus NaOH react in the presence of CaO. Benzene is formed. Mechanism. The reaction takes place through the loss of molecule of carbon dioxide from the carboxylate anion to form a carbon anion. Once formed, carbon anion gets protonated to form the hydrocarbon. Effect of substituents on decarboxylation. Since formation of carbon anion is the key step in the above reaction, any factor which increases the stability of carbon anion should increase the assay of decarboxylation. Therefore, carboxylic acid containing electron withdrawing groups such as NO2 and CH3COH get decarboxylated just by heating alone. For example, acetoacetic acid react in the presence of heat, acetone is formed. Similarly, dicarboxylic acid containing these two carboxylic groups attached to the same carbon atom are readily decarboxylated. For example, malonic acid react in the presence of heat, acetic acid is formed. Therefore, decarboxylation of suitably substituted carboxylic acid such as beta-keto acid and malonic acid constituent an important reaction of preparative interest. Next is Kolbe electrolytic reaction, electrolytic decarboxylation. Alkyl salts of carboxylic acid on electrolysis get decarboxylated to form hydrocarbons. It may be recalled that in aqueous solution, it is H positive ions which get discharged at the cathode while N positive ion remains in solution. The overall Kolbe reaction may be represented as electrolysis of sodium formate, however, yields on a hydrogen and not a hydrocarbon. Distillation of calcium salts of acid. When distilled in the absence of air, calcium salt of acid yields different product as given below. Distillation of calcium formate yields formaldehyde. Second is distillation of a mixture of calcium salt of formic acid and calcium salt of another carboxylic acid gives an aldehyde. Third is distillation of calcium salt of an acid other and formic acid gives a ketone. Next is decarboxylative halogenation, Huns-Dicker reaction. The silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with the bromine or iodine in dry carbon tetrachloride to form an alkyl bromide or iodide with the loss of carbon dioxide. Silver salt plus Br2 react in the presence of CCl4. Alkyl bromide is formed. Mechanism. Reaction of the alkyl or aryl group. Halogenation of alkyl group. In the presence of small amounts of red phosphorus, the alpha hydrogen atoms of alkyl group of aliphatic acid can be replaced by chlorine or bromine to form a haloacid. This is known as Hell-Volhard-Zelensky HBZ reaction. For example, propanoic acid react in the presence of Br2 and phosphorus, alpha bromopropanoic acid, and when alpha bromopropanoic acid react in the presence of Br2 and phosphorus, alpha alpha dibromopropanoic acid is formed. It may be noted that bromination takes place exclusively at the alpha position and the reaction stops after all the alpha hydrogens have been displaced, but chlorination can continue further in the chain after the displacement of alpha hydrogen atom. The reaction is believed to take place as follows. Next is aromatic substitution. Aromatic carboxylic acid can undergo the usual electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene rings such as halogenation, nitration, and sulfonation. It may be recalled here that carboxylic group is a meta-directing and deactivating group, and therefore the above reaction takes place only under vigorous conditions. When when benzoic acid react in the presence of fuming H2SO4 and heat, metasulfobenzoic acid is formed. When benzoic acid react in the presence of CCl2 and FeCl, metachlorobenzoic acid is formed. When benzoic acid react in the presence of HNO3 and H2SO4 and heat, metanitrobenzoic acid is formed. Special reaction of formic acid. The molecule of formic acid of carbonyl group is attached to a free hydrogen atom. Therefore, formic acid combines the properties of an acid with an aldehyde as required by the structure. Therefore, it undergoes certain reaction not given by other carboxylic acid. The important reactions of this type are oxidation. Unlike other acids, but like aldehyde, formaldehyde is readily oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, it reduces Tollens reagent to form a silver mirror and failing solution to form a red precipitate of Cu2O. Formic acid also reduces acidified potassium permanganate, acidified potassium dichromate, and mercury chloride. Effect of substituents on acidities of carboxylic acids. The position of the equilibrium in the reaction between carboxylic acid and water to furnish carboxylate anion and the hydronium ion depends upon the stability of the product relative to the stability of reactants. An effector which stabilizes the carboxylate anion more than the parent acid should increase the acidity only, and an effector which destabilizes the anion should decrease the acidity. An electron withdrawing substituent on the carboxylate anion attracts electron towards itself and thus disappears the negative charge of the anion. As a result, it stabilizes the carboxylate anion and thus increases the acidity of the parent acid. An electron releasing substituent on the carboxylate anion intensifies the negative charge on the anion and thereby destabilizes the anion. Consequently, it decreases the acidity of the parent acid. In short, it may be stated that electron withdrawing group increases the acidity while electron releasing group decreases the acidity of carboxylic acids. Table 5.3 shows the effect of different substituent on the acid of aliphatic and aromatic acids. Aliphatic acid. Important conclusions. It is quite obvious from the above discussion that first, the stronger the electron withdrawing group present in an acid, the greater is the acidity. For example, fluoroacetic acid is stronger than chloroacetic acid because fluorine is stronger electron withdrawing than chlorine. The larger the number of electron withdrawing groups present in the acid, the greater is the effect on the acidity. That is why we find that trichloroacetic acid is stronger than dichloroacetic acid, which in turn is stronger than the monochloro acid. As a group having electron withdrawing inductive effect moves away from the carboxylic group, its effect on the acidity becomes less pronounced. This is quite in keeping with the effect that inductive effect falls off rapidly with the distance. This is where gamma chlorobutyric acid is weaker than beta chlorobutyric acid, which in turn is weaker than alpha chlorobutyric acid. Next is the effect of electron releasing group is shown in section D of the table. It is apparent that acetic acid is weaker than formic acid because it contains an electron releasing CH3 group attached to the acetic acid is weaker than formic acid because it contains an electron releasing CH3 group attached to the carboxylic group, while formic acid has got only hydrogen attached to the carboxylic group. Aromatic acids. Benzoic acid. In discussing the acidity of aromatic acid, let us begin with benzoic acid, which is the simplest acid containing a carboxylic group attached to an unsubstituted benzene ring, that is
benzoic acid. Phenyl group directly attached to carboxyl group exerts an electron withdrawing inductive effect minus I effect, but at the same time it tends to release electron towards the carboxyl group due to resonance plus R effect. Now the plus R effect in the case of more dominating than minus I effect, so that phenyl group has net electron releasing effect. That is why benzoic acid is a weaker acid than formic acid. It may be noted, however, that the net electron releasing effect of phenyl group in benzoic acid lesser than the electron releasing inductive effect of alkyl group present in aliphatic acids. Therefore, benzoic acid is stronger acid than aliphatic acid from acetic acid onwards. Phenylacetic acid. Let us now consider the simplest aromatic acid containing the carboxyl group in the side chain, that is phenylacetic acid. Here resonance effect is not possible due to intervening carbon atom between the phenyl and carboxyl group. Therefore, phenyl group exerts weakly electron withdrawing inductive effect. Consequently, phenylacetic acid group exerts weakly electron withdrawing inductive effect. Consequently, phenylacetic acid is a stronger acid than the acetic acid and higher aliphatic acid containing electron releasing alkyl group. It may be noted that even though phenyl group has electron withdrawing inductive effect, benzyl group, which may be treated as phenyl substituted methyl group, has electron releasing inductive effect. As such, phenylacetic acid is a weaker acid than formic acid. At the same time, electron releasing effect of benzyl group is more than the overall electron releasing effect due to plus R and minus I of phenyl group. Hence, phenylacetic acid is weaker than even benzoic acid. Effect of substituents on acidic strength of aromatic acid. The effect of substituent group present on the benzene on the acidic strength of aromatic carboxylic acid depend upon the both inductive and resonance effect operating when the group is present in different position as illustrated below. First is group having electron withdrawing inductive effect as well as electron withdrawing resonance effect such as NO2 group. Let us consider the effect of the presence of an nitro group on the benzene ring on the acidity of aromatic acid. Nitro group exerts an electron withdrawing inductive effect as well as the electron withdrawing resonance effect. However, it may be recalled that resonance effect operates only in ortho and para position, there being hardly any effect on meta position. This means that by resonance mechanism, the nitro group cannot markedly reduce the electron density at the meta position. Though it can reduce the electron density at ortho and para position, at the same time it can reduce the electron density at all position by inductive mechanism. The net result is that it exerts greater the electron density at all position by inductive mechanism. The net result is that it exerts greater the electron density at all position by inductive mechanism. The net result is that it exerts greater electron withdrawing influence when present in ortho or para position and greatly stabilizes corresponding carbogylate ions. That is why ortho and para nitrobenzoic acid have greater acidity than meta nitrobenzoic acid, which, however, has greater acidity than benzoic acid. The role order is. Next is effect of halogens. Halogens have electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron releasing resonance effect, but the inductive effect is stronger than resonance effect. To understand the effect of the presence of halogens on the acidity of aromatic acid, let us take up the case of para and metachlorobenzoic acid. When chlorine is present in para position, its electron withdrawing inductive effect is opposite its electron releasing resonance effect. However, since the inductive effect is stronger than the resonance effect, overall effect is electron withdrawing, so that the carbogylate ion gets stabilized. As a result, the carboxylic acid is stronger than the benzoic acid.